Ma'am, if you are the city executive or mayor, lahat ng utos mo na ginawa ng pulis and all the consequences, sagot ko yan. Pati ang ginawa ng pulis, sagot ko yan.
Pati po yung accomplishment kung may nahuli, enforcement of law yun. Accomplishment din po yung na-confiscate na drugs. Tama ba?
Lahat ng trabaho ng pulis, because you are the mayor, at inutos mo yan, and the consequences, or sometimes an incident can go right and go wrong. Protektahan ko yung pulis kasi ako ang mayor. Hindi magtrabaho yung pulis, matakot yan kung hindi mo bakaban. So lahat ng trabaho ng pulis, nung ako'y mayor, for the longest time, akin yan.
So, Mr. Chair, alam niyo po ba kung ilan ang arrested sa mga drug operations at how much ang drug na na-seize nung time na yan?
Ma'am, I was not notified in advance that I have to make an accounting for the arrested persons in Davao City. That is, I would not want to. That would not be a proper question.
Mr. Chair, sabi niyo yung accomplishment report sa inyo yan.
Accomplishment, yes. Accomplishment is another thing. But you see, to ask for the number of arrests or killings, that would be a stupid question.
Mr. Chair, sinabi po ninyo na aakuin nyo lahat. E di syempre may accounting din kayo, Mr. Chair. At kabisado nyo, kahit nga kabisado ninyo kung ilan ang hinuli, ilan ang pinatay, ilan. Dapat may accounting kayo, Mr. Chair. And I believe, Mr. Chair, noong 2017, correct me if I'm wrong, may President's Accomplishment Report kayo.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Chair.
Tanungin kita, where were you the other day at 4 o'clock in the afternoon?
Point of order, Mr. Chair.
Yan nga sinabi ko.